How to get known if you are new as a freelancer. So, I think there's a lot of ways. I can tell you what I did. I started doing this. I started making YouTube videos, started creating content, and started creating content for the people that I wanted to hire me. That's a really big distinction. A lot of people see, like what I do, or they see the other developer YouTubers out there, and they think, oh, I want to do that so I can get clients. But the people you'll be attracting is other developers. Those aren't the people that are necessarily going to hire you. So you want to create content for people that are going to hire you for the services that you offer. So you first need to figure out what services you're going to offer. And then once you figure that out, then you know what kind of content to make for those people. So you can do that. If you're not comfortable doing YouTube videos, there's still plenty of room, I think, for written sort of things. You could do written tutorials, or one example of this is if you're going to do, let's say you were going to do membership sites like I did. You don't just have to do content on the technical details of building a membership site. You certainly would want to do that to demonstrate your authority. However, you can do content on how to create a successful membership site, the business side of things, the marketing side of things, how to deliver your content, or come up with a content strategy or a calendar, all that sort of thing. All that sort of content is going to be valuable to someone who wants to create a membership site. It will help you establish your authority as a membership site builder, someone in that space, and then you can use that to help you get freelance clients. So again, you want to create content that appeals to the people who would be likely to hire you for your services. Again, you don't have to do just YouTube. You could do written stuff. You could go, I always say this, Quora or some of these other places that are out there where people are asking questions and start to establish credibility there. But in this day and age, if you're trying to freelance and you're not creating content, I think you're going to have a really, really difficult time. It's not that it can't be done, but I think it's a lot easier to just start creating content, and you get a lot more leverage out of that. The sort of caveat to that is local meetup groups. If you're comfortable doing that sort of thing, every meetup group that I've ever been a part of, I've been the one tech person, and I was just like, I was a slab of meat that they were all hovering around, because most people are in those groups are really non-technical. So pretty much every meetup group I went to, I got some sort of somebody asking me if I could build them this or that or the other. So that's a really good way to do it too. Hey, thanks for watching the video. Now, if you're ready to take your skills to the next level and start making your living as a developer, then check out my full library of coding and freelancing courses over on Skillshare. And not only will you get access to all my courses, but over 20,000 others on web design and web development, freelancing, graphic design, online marketing, and more, all for just $10 a month. And as a teacher on Skillshare, I can give you a 2-month free trial. You'll get full access to the entire library of courses, and you can cancel at any time before the trial is up and never be charged a penny. To learn more and start your 2-month free trial, head on over to johnmorrisonline.com/Skillshare.